As you can see, my pool is filthy. So we're going to have a really good clean today. Hey guys, welcome to the show. As you can see, my pool is filthy. So I've got the ultimate pool cleaning solutions with like Aiper, and I gotta say, this is the Scuba S1 Pro. It is battery powered and it has one feature that I'm dying to check out.
What's that?
You can leave it in the pool for a week. On eco mode, leave it in the pool and it will run 3 times, 45 minutes each.
That is so cool.
That is cool because my current pool robot, I recently had to maintain it. Some engineer came over, or technician came over to replace the motor, because if you leave a pool robot in the pool too long, it corrodes the motor. So this guy is designed to run for a week.
I like that.
Underwater, so it's pretty amazing.
Awesome.
And this one, the Skimmer. Now, I've got grass next to my pool, so when I have to do the trimming of the grass, it goes straight in the pool.
Yes.
So this is a floating skimmer. It's solar powered, so you can just leave it alone, and it's got a massive basket.
That is so cool. I'm so excited about this.
Wow!
Thank you.
What's inside? Okay, the most important thing, right at the top. Oh, it's very, very freshly packaged.
Oh, it looks nice. I like it.
Bring a vacation home. You excited about your vacation?
But let's have a look and see what's inside. Oh, you get like a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory envelope here, which actually probably just has the instruction manuals, but nonetheless, it feels quite special to have this. I like it.
A hook and a charger in this one. That's actually the first thing you need to do is fully charge
Gotcha.
the robot.
Oh, baby. I'm going to leave this and I'm going to lift this bad boy up because you all are dying to see what is inside this box that I've got here right now. This actually is beefy, man.
Big.
This is the biggest robot vacuum cleaner I have actually ever seen.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you about one feature I love about this.
Go on.
This is better than the week in the pool feature, and I've been waiting to tell you this feature.
Please, tell me.
Guess the filter.
Oh,
How much microns is the filter?
I have no idea, but the way that you're saying it makes me feel very excited.
Okay, it's got 2 filters in it. Okay, my
Yeah.
current pool robot, the lowest it will go,
Yes.
60 microns. And that is
Okay.
exquisite. This is like drinkable water.
That is actually
don't drink the water because of the chemicals, but it's exquisite. This one,
Go
it's
on.
got 2 filters.
Right.
It's got one 160. Hello.
Hello.
One 160, and it's got another one.
How much?
Get this.
How much?
3 microns.
Oh my God.
3 microns. It's going to get rid of the algae you can't even see.
Where do I see this?
Oh,
Where do I see? I want to see. Oh my God, it's so beautifully packaged. Sorry, I'm just so excited about this. Oh, there we go. So you open up on the side.
that is it.
There we go. Look
Found
at
it
that
right
bad boy.
Open it up.
Oh, that is nice. So it's got 2 filters. Oh, yes. Look at that. It's got 1.
So this is the main one. This is the basket. This is the 160 one. And then this one, 3.
So do you just wash them or do you replace them? Or how does it work with these?
Both.
Both.
Wash it and you replace
And
it
replace
once if you damage
I am
it.
so excited to see how clean our pool will be after this. So excited.
It's going to get rid of the algae you can't see. And it also has another feature. I keep saying the features. I'm excited.
Ah.
I hope this works well.
Oh my
And
goodness.
it's also cableless.
Yes.
So you can be swimming while it does its business.
Gorgeous. I have to say, it looks so sleek and professional. Kind of looks like a BMW or something.
All right, clearly impressive design over here, but we want to see if it works. Ooh, look at that. Inside this box, you get the charger, which we'll be charging right now, and you also get a hook to help retrieve your robot. Now, officially, when it finishes its cycle, it does pop up the water on the side to allow you to pick it up for 10 to 20 seconds. So it's going to be easy to try out. However, if you leave it in the pool too long, you can always use this hook to help retrieve it. But that being said, let's go ahead and start charging this bad boy up so we see if it works. It plugs in around the back there and it is charging away. So while the Scuba S1 Pro is being charged up, let's check out the Surfer S1. Now this guy, again, is solar powered, so you should just be able to chuck it in the pool straight away without having to charge it. Let's just look at that massive solar panel at the top there. And look around the back here, it's got little turbines so you can move it around. And it actually also has sensors around there, so you can actually use both robots at the same time and they'll automatically navigate away from each other thanks to the sensors it's got. So this one, I'm guessing you just press the start button at the back. Hold it on. There you go, it's on. And you just press the play button. Look at that, it's starting to work. And it should automatically charge up with the solar power. Let's try it out. All right, as you can see, a very, very easy setup. This one, just turned it on, press play, and it's going. Now, what I like about this is I actually have a real life test here. So I've got grass that I've been It's been excrementing for when I had to do the landscaping. So I'm hoping it's just going to fly around and just pick up the stuff. And I'm also hoping that there wasn't any plastics I needed to like rip out before it started it. Maybe I started it prematurely. Let's find out. So it's picking up the leaves, the debris. And I think that's a successful pickup. It didn't go where I wanted it to go, just a little bit to the left. But it's going to go around the pool and it's going to charge up thanks to the sun. And it's got a big basket. It's got liters in the basket, so you can just pretty much leave it alone. It'll go around doing its skimming. And that's perfect because for me, my skimmer is over there. And when the wind blows, it always blows all the leaves on this side of the pool. But I would have to manually sweep this area out. But thanks to the robot, hopefully, I won't have to do that anymore. And just look at the debris. It pivots inwards thanks to the design. Like that. The debris is just going to flow inside. So I just hit the pause button, took out the water. So let's see how much debris we picked up in that quick session. And just look at that. Look at all that gunk. Ooh, don't even need to empty this gunk out. Just leave it in for the face off when we run them both at the same time tomorrow. Yellow. So once it's fully charged, just make sure all the plastic is off. And now we're ready to turn it on. So if you look at the top here, you got power button. You hold that down for 2 seconds. And then you can switch between all the different modes. There's actually a special mode in the app, but yeah, there's floor mode, there's waterline mode, there's eco mode, lasts a week. And this is the auto mode. It does everything. With this guy, every 10 seconds, the device will test if it's in water. And if it is in water, it's going to start up. And if it is in water, I think by the 3rd or 6th time, it's going to just not do anything. So you need to do it again. Clean my Aiper, clean my Aiper. Clean my Aiper. And just to test it all out, I'm going to put the skimmer in there as well, make sure everything gets cleaned all together. So I've got my robot fleet operating away on the pool. You can see they're floating away together, looking good. And this is a proper test because my pool is filthy. Look at all that. Look at all that disgusting mess in the pool. I'm going to give it an hour and come back and see how it's doing. Let's go. All right, so it's been a couple of hours now. As you can see, the pool robot is still working away. The one thing I noticed though, it seems to be concatenating all of its efforts around the edges of this area and not actually traversing the whole of the pool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire up the app and I'm going to log in and I'm going to see if there's an update I can push or if there is a different mode I can set. So I think it just probably needs a software update for it to get going a bit more efficiently. Well, one more thing I want to mention is that the skimmer has done a blinding great job. It's still working away. It's amazing. And it's so nice that you can just easily pick it up. Just like that. When you press the pause button here, it pauses up, and you can see all of the gunk is collected. So this guy, this is my friend. I love this guy. He's awesome. And it's solar powered, so you can just let it be. But let's go pick up the big pool robot and see how much gunk is inside. Oh, there it is. Let's see. This is the magical cartridge. So it's actually caught a few stuff that I can actually see. Look at that. And this is the free micron filter. That's going to be good to clean. Inside around the back here, you can also see there is some cables and lots of little grass. Pause that out. And inside the main capture, you'll just look at all that gunk. All right, so with the app connected, I was able to update to the latest firmware. So I'm on auto mode again. Let's put her in. All right, guys, so it's been another couple of hours, and I gotta say, there is still a little bit of dirt there, but most of the dirt has been picked up. Grass, excrement, grass. So it did clear up a lot more, but I want to see how much it's actually picked up because my pool was hella dirty and it's collected a whole bunch. It's even collected a rock. Wow. Look at that. It's a big rock. So it does definitely have the suction power for it. All right, so we spent the whole day doing the Aiper challenge. I love the skimmer basket. It's actually skimmed the whole top side. I'm really happy with that. Look at all that gunk the skimmer picked up. This guy, I ran it twice, picked up dirt on both times. There is a little bit of dirt left to go, so I'm gonna have to charge it up and let it go again. The first time I ran it, it did have a bit of issues. It only went round the edges, but after I installed the firmware update, it seemed to operate a lot better. So happy with that.
Wow.
Wow. All right, guys, let us know what pool robots you guys are using to clean up your pool. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed
the show.
Wow.
Wow.
You know, one thing, this could be an extra perk. I haven't had any ducks come into the pool when the skimmer was operating. So it could also be a duck protector.
And an additional perk is that this one was so entertained with the skimmer box going around the pool. She was like, wow, wow, wow. So it's like an also fun thing for children to watch.